Did you know DNA is 60% the same as a banana? Sound crazy, right? But it all goes back to a single ancestor billions of years ago. Scientists say the first life form appeared about 3.7 billion years ago. It was not an animal or a plant. It was a teeny single-celled organism we call LUCA, the last Universal Common Ancestor. But where did LUCA come from? Some believe life's ingredients came from space, carried here by comets and meteors. Others think it started in Earth's hot ocean with lightning and heat sparking chemical reaction. Over millions of years, simple molecules like RNA and amino acids join together, form teeny cells like bubbles, and eventually gave rise to the first living cells. Those cells evolved, merged, and transformed into the plants, animals, and yes, even humans that exist today. So next time you eat a banana, remember, you and that banana are distant relatives. All thanks to life's incredible journey from stardust to living being.